It's June from June's World and the Florida Ski Riders. And guys, today I'm bringing you the brand new, all stainless steel, retractable strap from Strapino. What's up, guys? It is your boy June from June's World and Florida Ski Riders. Guys, today I am bringing you the new all stainless steel retractable ratchet strap from Strapinos. I know a lot of you guys are infamous for keeping ratchet straps around your house and having just a ton of different straps, maybe in a bundle. You never know where you put them, but they're always tangled up or you lose one. Guys, with Strapinos, you don't need to do all that. It's a retractable ratchet strap that you press one button, release, and it comes right back. No more extra cords everywhere, no more tangling, kinking, losing buckles, losing cords. You're gonna have it all in one. The all stainless steel retractable straps are made super heavy duty. The new hook is a lot thicker. It's got the coating, but this hook is a lot stronger than what the other model was. And the process to putting this on your trailer is really simple. In the box, it comes with the bracket, 2 bolts and 2 nuts to strap down to your actual trailer. It literally will take you about 5 minutes to install this on your trailer with no issues. All you need is a ratchet and a wrench, and you're in there. Strapino's retractable ratchet straps are the easiest way to ensure that your cargo is secured. The dual locking system means they won't loosen up on you, and the stainless steel means no rust even after 100 trips to the ocean. And for everything else, there's the Strapino's ratcheting cargo bar. It adjusts from 44 to 74 inches to fit any truck bed, and the retractable system keeps everything locked and tight so nothing slides around. You can find Strapino's retractable ratchet straps and ratcheting cargo bars on Amazon or strapinos.com. If you'd like to see a more in-depth video on how to install these, please leave a comment below, and I will definitely shoot out another video installing these bad boys. And they're real simple. I actually have a video, and I'll link it right here, which is the very first time that I installed these, and you can actually check it out after the video. But if you would like a new update one on these straps, feel free to drop a comment. I love this thing. Ever since the first ones came out, it made unloading and loading at the dock so much easier and faster that I've just been an advocate for these straps, and I love them. So if you want to get you some, go over to Amazon or strapinos.com, and there you'll find anything you need. Oh, and also make sure you use the code right here for 10% discount. And guys, man, I appreciate you guys for watching. So to the next one.